Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we are going to be doing some random odds and ends and talking about some things that I'm going to be doing in my yard. Stay tuned. So with this video, I'd like to play a long game for the season. What I'm looking for your before photos of your yards as they're coming out of the winter season. Right now, of course, my yard is dormant. Doesn't look very good, but we're gonna play a long game. I'd like as many people as possible to send me photos of their yards so I can do a before the season starts video of our yards. Of course they're not gonna look good because we're looking for that before and after at the end of the season. So what I'm looking for is just some photos of your yard and some basic history of it. If you can send me an email to my email address of JeremyofTheGreenerLawn at gmail.com, that'd be greatly appreciated. Looking for those submissions before April 1st so that I can put a video out at about that point in time. It gives those who are still covered in snow a chance to be able to give me their submissions. Today I'm going to be doing mail time. Some of these pieces of mail were kind of a little bit further back in time, January, December, maybe even November range, just so that I could have a couple of things to open up so that it didn't seem like I'm just opening one piece of mail. Today I'm going to be opening them, showing you what I got inside. Kind of excited for all of them actually, and I really appreciate everybody who sent me something. First one comes to me from Real Low Dad. He sent me quite a few different stickers. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Next one comes to me from the Lawn Tools. He says, "May your new year be great and your lawn stripes be straight." Come and teach me, please. Thanks, brothers. I appreciate it. This one right here is probably my oldest piece of mail. This actually stems from all the way back in November, I believe. You'll recognize this one. This one actually comes from Ben the Lawn Guardian. He teamed up with Rodney Smith. Thanks, Ben, for making us all aware of it. And thank you, Rodney. This is a great cause. Squad! This comes from JC the Lawn Care Guy. Thank you very much. And thank you for what you've done for me, brother. I really appreciate it. Really do. This is amazing. So with this season getting closer, there's a lot of things that are going to be starting to kick off. I'm waiting for the soil temperatures to get correct so that I can go ahead and throw down some fertilizer, get my plans in place, get some of my pre-emergents down, and start this renovation here in the backyard. So a question I have for you guys, back here in the backyard, I'm going to be revamping this grass. I can either, one, take it down to dirt, start it over, reseed it, do the whole process, or I can take it from where it's currently at. So you can see that it's filled in. There's some patches and stuff, but it's not extremely great, and I could fix it. Please leave it in the comments below what you guys would like to see me do. I want to do what's most relevant to you guys. With all the things that we have going on for this season, it's going to be a very busy season. It's not going to be an easy season for me. I'm going to have lots of projects. I'm going to have a lot of things going on. So I really want to get as much accomplished as possible that you guys want to see. So that's the reason why I want to know whether or not you guys want to see a full renovation or just revive what's currently here. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn, maker green. So with the couple of clips that I showed with my son playing soccer, he was playing futsal in those clips. He plays competition soccer. I am going to leave a link to the video that I made for him. If you guys would like to see it, go ahead and check it out below.
next level.